Recently, a 50-foot oak tree fell on my house and left several big holes on the roof. So we decided it was time to replace the roof. Since we were replacing the roof, we decided to turn our roof into a rainwater collection system. So in this video, let's begin the transformation by installing the new roofing. Let's go off-grid. After removing the tree from the roof and patching the holes in the roof, it was time to put on the new roofing material. For the new roof, we wanted a material that would not leave small asphalt particles in the water. It's probably safe to say that we will not be using traditional asphalt roofing shingles. One roofing option that we came across was corrugated panels. Think of all the possibilities of having a roof that collects rain. Let's find out what an inch of rain can offer us. We first need to measure the roof. The roof has two sides, which means you need to multiply your measurements by 2. In my case, the dimensions for my roof is 8.5 feet by 66 feet for each side of the roof. This means I have 1,122 square feet of roof. Now that we have our measurements of the roof, we can begin to calculate the amount of water we will get. If our roof is 1,100 square feet, and there is 144 cubic inches in a square foot, and there's 231 cubic inches in 1 gallon of water, if we multiply 1,122 by 144, we get 161,568 square inches of roof. Divide 231 cubic inches per gallon of water by 161,568 square inches of roof, and we get 729 gallons of water for every inch of rain. To put this in perspective, if 1 is about 1.6 gallons, that means you can do this about 455 times. While a regular flushable toilet is not ideal for off-grid use, the water can still be used in many different ways. For example, you can take about 97 3-minute showers, or if one person drinks half a gallon of water a day, 729 gallons can provide enough water for 3 people for about 480 days. This house is near Placerville, California, and Placerville, California gets about 38 inches of rain per year, which makes perfect sense for us to collect rainwater. One question you may have is, why should I collect rainwater? Depending on where you live, you may not have access to off-grid water sources such as a river or creek. Rainwater collection is a great alternative to these off-grid water sources, unless you live in an area that gets very little rain. Let's begin designing the system. On the right side of the roof, I will install one continuous length of gutter along the full length of roof. The left side is a little bit different. It starts off with this short length of roof, and then there is an overhang at the porch. I will not be installing any gutter on this first part, and will begin the gutter on the long side of the roof. To prevent sediment from getting into the water, there will be 2 tanks in our system. The first tank in our system will be 5 gallons. This tank will have a pump with an intake several inches from the bottom. Once the first tank is full, the pump will pump the water to the larger tank, which will be 275 gallons. This water can be used for showering, washing dishes, doing laundry, but if we wanted to drink this water, additional filtration is necessary. So here are the basics of our rainwater collection system. There is still more to it, so keep your eyes out for another rainwater collection video soon.